some people might be interested in the exact method to what I do when I blow a circuit board up. So we can go through. This is old Diamond Data CD-ROM. So yeah, of course, before I do this, I'm just going to say don't try this at home. Or don't blow up circuit boards with 240 volts. Leave that to me, because it actually is dangerous. So first I'd remove all these 4 screws holding the bottom of the drive on. They're all different. Every drive is different, but this one, I'm lucky I can just pull that off, and a bit of a thermal paste. Just disconnect anything. Stuff on the other side need to disconnect. And then there's the board itself. Okay, so the next step is, before I show you this, don't try and replicate this thing, it's dangerous, but it's got a 240 volt plug on one end, and sort of just a open lead, and I've sort of got one of these little joiner things which goes to a Molex. So there's a blue Molex, or blue 240 volt to black on the Molex. So blue is negative and black is negative there. Then the brown, which is the positive, goes into the 5 and 12 volt wires here. And then what I do is I plug this into the Molex on the DVD drive, or CD drive, or circuit board, or whatever it is I'm blowing up. It plugs in there. Then the other end I plug into the wall. Okay, so what's next is it's plugged in, got it on top of this cardboard box for safety, and because sometimes they leave a bit of a spatter like the previous one did. So now I've plug board a bit away from everything, where I plug it all into and plug it in and switch it on. So this time I've got this slow-mo camera waiting for me to hit film. So okay, so now what I do is I just plug it in and turn on the power. One didn't seem to do anything. Okay, here we go. This is from a SATA DVD drive. This board is actually a lot smaller than I would have thought, but yeah, and well, here we've got adapters and adapters for adapting this, because I don't have a SATA connector. So this is an old Molex SATA adapter. It's one of the ones with a molded plug, so it's not really suitable for putting in kind of a computer, but whereas, you know, the old saying, Molex SATA, you lose all your data. So with all that in mind, let's see what this one does. Slow-mo camera ready. Okay. So, plug it in and switch it on. Wow! That was epic. Yeah, that one made me jump. That stinks. Wow. And I caught that in slow-mo as well. That one was epic. Wow. Thanks for watching.